Hi, Rose team. Okay, let me make sure that I am recording. Okay, I believe I am recording. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen, and what I'm going to do is show you how to create a party from my, actually this is my secondary, actually I have two Facebook business pages. Reason that I have two is because my first one, Facebook will not let me use it anymore. So I have a second one that I'm using now to create my parties. So this is my second one, okay? It's just a very generic one. As a matter of fact, I'll go ahead and show you my other one real quick. Let me go back here real quick. This is my primary one. This is Peppered Chef Food and Fun with Marcy Rose. And let me get there. Okay, this is the one that I actually use, and I post things, you know, that I want people to see, and I have like over 500 people on this one. It'll show you, where does it show that at? How many people I've got? Somewhere it shows it. Anyway, I had to create another one because Facebook would not let me use it anymore. They are doing some ridiculous things lately, and so I actually created this one by mistake. And so now I'm using this to create my Facebook parties. So I'm going to do this pretty much by memory. And if you can't do it by memory, which sometimes I have to refer back to notes, just go ahead and make you some notes. You know, it's pretty simple to jot down some notes. But the very first thing you do is you go to More, right here in the middle of the page. You go to Groups, okay? Then you go to Create Linked Group, okay? Now, what I do is I like to keep open the person that I'm doing. I like to keep open her party so that I can just grab some information from her party. Now, you'll see that I made a turkey here, and I made that with my cell phone. I can't make it with, now y'all may know how to do this, I can't make it with my computer, but I did make that with my cell phone. You just go in and you pull up the little emoji that's the turkey. Christmas one, you do a Christmas one. So I go back over here and I put it in. Now what I like to do is, you see how down here it says November 13th, you know, like that. What I like to do is put in a beginning and end date. Now, I like to put in 11 / this is going to start the 13th, and I'm gonna put through 11, and this one's gonna go to the 20th. So I think I'm gonna leave it like that. And how I did that is I just copied this too, where it said right here, and pretty much so I'll remember it, because I'm gonna change that. I mean, I've already changed that anyway. So you've got Dion's Home for the Holidays virtual Pampered Chef Party, 11/13 through 11/20. This one's gonna be a week. I am doing parties that right now that are just 3-day express parties, and I'll show you that in just a second. Okay, and I'm gonna change my privacy to actually private, and it's going to be private and visible so that people can invite their people. Okay, so I'm going to hit create, and like I said, I'm doing this from memory, it's not too bad to remember how to do it. Now I've already created the background picture in Canva. Now I don't know how y'all do yours, but I do mine in Canva. So I'm gonna go grab that picture, and it's Dion's picture. And so, and somebody's calling me right in the middle of it, and it's of course a 1-800 number. So I'm gonna go to my desktop, and I'm gonna grab, nope, it's in Christmas stuff. So I'm gonna go grab Dion's picture. What did I do with her picture? It's probably under all. There it is right there. Okay. So, and I'll give you some advice about these pictures right here. Be sure that you, well, and really people a lot of times don't pay attention to this. So, you can do it, but they're still going to say, where's the ordering link? But right here it says click here for shopping link. Okay, and then you've got free gift with $80 purchase, free shipping with $150 purchase. That's just something that, you know, if you've got it here on this banner, hopefully they'll look at it. Dion's Home for the Holidays virtual Pampered Chef party. That's something you might want to put in there as well. I might change this right here to say 11/20/2020, or, you know, it's just when you're looking at stuff like that, you might want to change it to, you know, and I'll show you how to change that as well. Okay, so the very first thing, and I try to do this in order so I don't forget anything. All right, so we want to go to save changes first thing. Okay, so that is in there, and it's saved. Okay, now it's saved. All right, so that I have, I'm going to go ahead and get her link. Okay, so I go back over here to her link, and this is her link, and I want to copy her link because this is what I'm going to put in her party. But the first thing I want to do is edit this banner, because when people click on this, they say click here for shopping link. Then when they click there, I want that shopping link to be there. So I'm going to say here, click, oops, here, let's say click here, any time to place your order. Oops, order. And maybe just an explanation. Exclamation point. Okay, click here anytime to place your order. Done editing. Okay, so now when they click anywhere on this banner, which, you know, they should click right there, it's going to come up right here, and there's the ordering link. Okay, so now that's the first thing that I do. Debbie, I'll be right back with you in just a second. Now, I will go, the next thing I do is I want to make sure that I hit these 3 little dots right here, and I manage my notifications. I want all notifications from this party. I want to hit save. Okay, now the next part is a little bit tricky, but we want to go ahead and do this real quick. We want to go to my profile. Right now I'm acting as my business page. I want to go to my profile. Okay, as soon as I do that, the very first thing I want to do is reload my page. Okay, when I reload my page, I'm going to hit join group. Okay, and I'm going to join group as profile. So join group. I'm doing this kind of fast, but you know, you can always play it back. Okay, the other thing I want to do is also manage notifications as my profile too. So you want to get all of those notifications. You don't want to miss nothing. Okay, then I'm going to go back, and the reason why you do yourself as well is because you can't invite somebody who's not a friend like your host. You can't invite her from your business self. And I'll show you. When you go to invite, it's not going to let me well, there it is right there. Invite Dion. Okay. Made a liar out of me. Okay. Anyway. Let's see. Okay, so I am my business self right now because see, I've got two pictures, different pictures. I know that's my business self, and then this is my profile file self. Okay, so let me refresh again, reload. All right, now, something else that I do is I make my and I don't know if you really need to do this or not, but make your regular profile an administrator. Let me see if that went through. And let me reload and see how it says my business self invited me to be an administrator, and I hit accept. Okay. And I know this is a little bit monotonous, but it's just some crazy mess that not Pampered Chef, well, they did make us do crazy stuff too, but Facebook makes us do some really crazy stuff. But once you get it set up, it goes pretty smooth. So, okay, we're back over here in discussion. You want to be in discussion when you make any kind of changes, okay? So the next step would be, and let me look at some notes here. Oh, what I like to do is add this to my favorites up here. And as you can see up here at the top, I have all my parties listed under parties on my toolbar up here. And so this one I want to add to it as well because I want to be able to get to it easily. I don't want to have to go into, you know, my business page and then the groups, and then, you know, I want to be able to just click one button and get to it. So what I'm gonna do is hit my star right here, and I'm using Chrome. So and I'm gonna hit done here. So when I go to parties up here at the very top, there is Dion's party right here. Okay, so no matter what I'm doing, I get out of this, I go into Chrome, and I can pull up Dion's party just right there by just going to this toolbar. Okay, it's just like with our team page. I got it right there on that toolbar. Here's our team page. I can go there and work on that anytime because it's convenient. So I'm going to go back to Dion's page. There it is right there. Makes it super quick. Okay, so that's one of the things that I got at the top of my list to do. Now, believe the next thing would be to go to settings. Now, settings is over here to your far left at the very bottom. Not the very bottom, education center is the very bottom, but we're going to go to settings. Okay. Now, where it says name and description, right here, remember I told you I want to change this right here. So let's go over here and see if this will fit. And I'm going to put in this, and I'm going to put it in 2020. Nope, it won't fit. So, let me just go 20. There you go. 11/13 through 11/20/20. That works for me, and I'm going to hit save. Then under description, I am going to put let's see, let me look back at this one. This one is Christina's, and her description, I'm going to just copy this description and change it a little bit. I do a lot of that, just copy and paste and then change it a little bit. This says, see what's brand new for the holidays. This is a 3-day party. We're going to get rid of that because it's actually not. Let's see. I will be sharing gift giving. I'll say gift giving, holiday recipes, and more. You can shop for great products and place your order online. It's a simple way to Okay, and I'm gonna put here, welcome to Dion's For days. Party. Okay, so that's pretty much, and I'll go back and proofread it a little bit better. I'm trying to do this pretty fast for y'all. We've got our privacy at private. We've got it at visible. That way, I believe people can invite people. I'm hoping they can, because I've got something in there that says invite your people. So what I want to do here, let me show you what this is I want to customize the web address so it doesn't say a bunch of numbers on the end. I want to go in and say Dion's home for the holidays, and just leave it at that. Let's see if that works. Dion's home for the holidays. See, is, you know, that's fine. Here, I want to customize the color. You can do any color that you want to. And let me show you what that looks like. It changed it so it kind of matches. It's this color right here and this button right there. So it kind of matches this. If I wanted to change it to, say, pink, you know, then it's going to look like this. But I want it to kind of match this, the gingerbread cookie and stuff. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to change it to this. That is kind of, you know, matching it. During the holidays, maybe you want it to be real red for Christmas, or during Thanksgiving, you want it to be orange, that kind of way. So we go on down here and we look at these and we kind of look to see if there's anything we're missing here. Something that I do, automatic membership approval, set up requirements, friends with someone already in the group. I like to do that. That way, you know, they don't have to worry about whether they can be accepted or not. See, it's right over here. Membership, membership, where's it at? Membership questions right here. No, that's not it. Automatic membership approval. So right here, memberships with someone already in the group. Okay. Now, got the color, got that, friends with, okay. So we got all that. Now, go back to settings, make sure everything, okay. Down at the bottom, if you are using a posting service, whether it be ScentShare or Post My Party, you go here and you add applications. You go here and you put in Post My, and Post My Party pops up. So you click on that and you hit add. Okay, so Post My Party is there. It says one application added. Okay, now we go back to home. Okay, now we right click and we hit reload, because we want to make sure 11/20/20 is there. It is there. Our color is there. Everything is there, all nice and pretty. Any of these changes we made, and you see right here it says about. Honey, can you check that for me? Make sure it's not. Okay, so what we need to do next is put in what we need to put in our announcement and pin post, and that's going to tell us what the party is all about. So like with Christine's here, this is our announcement and pin post, and what this does is it tells us, you know, we can order anytime at Christine's party. This is her link, this is when it starts, this is when it ends. This tells them to turn on their notifications. You know, if they're not interested, they could leave. They can leave. This gives them the link again. So they have the link 3 times. They have it here, right up here. They have it here, here. Not that they're going to see it, but they have it. Then they have my information that they can call me. They can PM me. And then they actually have where they can click on this link, which takes them directly to order. Okay. So what I do here, and you got to be careful when you're copying and pasting, because the other night I actually copied somebody else's name. So be careful. I just changed this to Dion, and we change that, and then we go back to Dion's web link, and we copy it, and we go here and we paste it in here, and then her little thing's going to pop up right here. Looks all nice and pretty. Then we're going to go back to Christine's, and we're going to copy this and copy and go back to Dion's and paste it, and we're going to change the dates to, it actually starts the 13th, but it doesn't end until the 20th. Okay, and then we're going to make sure this other stuff is babe, can you call Kel and tell her that I'm making a video? Okay, and then we're going to paste this one more time, because like I say, I like to put it everywhere, not that they're going to see it, because they will inevitably go ahead and ask you again, where is the link to order? So we go back to hers, and then you put this in. Now I'll tell you what this link tree is in just 1 second. Okay, so we hit paste here. Now when you're copying something from, like I have right here, I have a rose, like my last name is Rose, so I have a rose there, and then I have a little chef. It's just something cute that I like to do. But what I do is I just put those in there as something cute. And but I was going to tell you what this link tree is, but let me post this real quick. Let me make sure I've got everything correct here. Okay, so what Linktree is you can go to linktree.com, and let me show you what that is, and you can set up this is my Linktree, and what this is a place where you can put information in for different things about yourself. When they click on recipes, okay, then they're going to land on my page, my Pampered Chef page that has recipes. Okay, when they click on Interactive Catalog, then they're going to go to the catalogs. Okay, so Linktree is a place where you can put in any link. It's called Linktree, and it's going to take them to places about you. So if you go to linktree.com, you can set this up for yourself. So maybe some of them didn't work the other day, but like this is my business page right here, Shop for a Cause. This should take it to my Pampered Chef page. There that is. And of course, you know, I think I did show you recipes. And then if they wanted to create a wish list on the Pampered Chef, my Pampered Chef website, then that takes them there. It takes a little bit of time to set this up, but it is a really neat thing that they can do. So I try to put that in, and sometimes, you know, they may not see it, they may not even know what it is, and I probably need to put something there that says, check me out on Linktree, or link with me on Linktree, or something like that. But it is a neat thing to do, and there's some other things that you can use it for as well, that some of the other directors use it for, that I haven't really got into right now, but that just to show you this. Okay, all right, so after you get finished doing this part, then you want to make it an announcement right off the bat. Okay, then you reload it. Okay, and you're going to see that it is at the top of the page. It is under announcements at the top. That's the only thing under announcements right now. Then you want to hit the little, these two up here, and pin it at the top. okay, and hit reload. Of course, the reason you pin it at the top is because you want it to be the first thing they see in the party when they go to the top. You know, when they're, you know, anything you post, that's the first thing they're going to see. Well, it should be the first thing they're going to see. Let me see if that's supposed to be Friday. Let me edit this real quick. This is going to be Friday. I'm glad I saw that, because my normal parties I run Friday. I'm now running Friday to Friday. Okay. The express party that I'm doing, and see, when I did that, it picked this link tree back up. So what I'm going to do is get rid of, see, this is my link tree thing, and I don't want it to show that. I want it to show this. So I'm going to hit save, and it's going to show this instead of my link tree picture. Okay. Anyway, my 3-day party, which my 3-day express party, that's 3 days from Friday to Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Well, it's about 3 days. The express party that I'm offering, I'm going to start that actually at like a couple days before. I've actually already started posting a couple of things to this one, because you don't want to just have the 3 days. You want a couple days before and a couple days after, and have the meat of the party in these 3 days. The directors set up a party, a holiday party, and I'm going to share that with everybody also. So that is pretty much it for the setup of the party. I don't believe there is anything else. If y'all have any questions, just let me know, but that is pretty much how you do that. Then, you know, you just start posting, or you set up your post my party or share, or if you want, say that you don't want to use a posting service, all you have to do to post, say I wanted to post, let me see what one that was. All right, this one right here is one that I like to post. Hold on just 1 second. It's asking, you know, what is, here it is right here. All right, but say I wanted to post that Thursday, okay? Then I would go in and post it Thursday. This is just posting it from scheduling it on Facebook, and I want to post it Thursday at 8:00 p.m. say, where's that at? Then I would just put this in. Now this is a posting service right on, and that's the 12th. Okay. Then it's scheduled right now. It is scheduled. I just went in and scheduled that right then. So if you hit reload and over, see right here where it says scheduled post over here to the left, then right here that you can see that's scheduled for November 12th at 8:00. So say you had to go out of town, or you had to the next day you were at work and you don't use a scheduling service, but you wanted to schedule them the night before. Say you had 5 or 10 that you wanted to schedule, you could go ahead and do that. This is a free service. It is you know, built into Facebook. So there you go. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm going to stop sharing now, and that should be it. And I'm going to stop recording. So let me know if y'all have questions. Thanks.